Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. I just got the new Zigzag Plus, and today I was going to go over how it works, review, first time use. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, Jonathan here. So I've been doing tree work 30 years. When I started, we would just run our rope long and then use our tie-in point as the tail of the rope, and then when it wore out, we just cut it off and start again. And then from there, went to a separate tie-in rope like this, and then a double tie-in rope. And I've probably been climbing with these, I don't know, for 15 years or so. So today I'm gonna go, I just got a Zigzag Plus. I just got it, so I'm gonna give it a try. I think it's gonna be really preferable. I burn through these pretty quick and replace them pretty often, and I feel like this is one of the weakest links in my climbing system. So when you use this on another rope and you travel really quickly, this melts, and you can even see some of my melt points here, and I'm just afraid that this is gonna melt through and fail. So the mechanical ascenders should work a lot better, a lot safer, and hopefully a lot easier. I'm going to use a double rope technique and try it out. So let me see how this thing goes. So this is a new one, 2019. The steel housing, I think 11.5 to 13 millimeter rope. Goes like this. And again, you shouldn't use any of this stuff until you're properly trained on it. Okay? This is a Zigzag Plus, and that plus part has this additional swivel on the bottom. So this is going to clip to your saddle. This is my new Sentinel saddle right here. I did a little review video on this. If you want to watch that video, click on this link. I'll put a link right in here and you can click on it. So this is going to click in here. My rope's going to go click in here for my rope. From here up over the crotch in the tree and then down through this. So let me, just going to set it up this way. Like that. Oh, kind of a tight fit. I think this is 13. Okay, here's my older climbing rope here. This works a little better. Yeah, so that works pretty well. There's a diagram on there. There's up and through all of them. It's a bind, it won't travel down. And then just pull it and it'll travel. There's a bearing pulley here, so it's one directional, and then locks. Seems like it'd be hard to catch your fingers in here, in the tree. Well, I like the movement on that. Really smooth. Okay, what we're doing today, blue oak. Ton of deadwood. I'm going to cut all this deadwood out, see if we can nurture this tree back to health. So I'm going to set up in that center crotch with my new Zigzag. Okay, so here's my tie-in point. Right here, the swivel, locking carabiner to my floating D-ring, and then here's the other end of the rope. Let's go through here. And one thing I noticed about the Zigzag is you're going to have to pull a whole rope all the way through. So for a small tree like this, you probably want to use a shorter rope. Alright, there it is. There's a system. Oh, that holds well. Ooh, it's certainly much better than my pulley system. Oh, I like that a lot. Just kind of high up near my face. This works here. Certainly bites great, holds great. Pretty smooth. Wow, smooth, I like that. No binding on the rope, no binding here. I think I said this on my Sentinel notch review, that this thing is just too high up. I wonder if I shorten this bridge up a little bit. Okay, so I shortened my bridge up here. Let's see if that works a little better. I love this pulley, bearing pulley, and I love the swivel. I'm really glad I got the plus, so I could kind of keep this thing away from me. Pull that way. So again, this is Zigzag Plus. You get it in the link below in my description. This Sentinel notch I got from Tree Stuff. Also, I'll put a link in there for that. Don't do this. Don't try and do this unless you're properly trained. Safety always has to be job number one. I really like the way that holds. like it. I like it a lot. I will say I haven't really used any other mechanical trussing devices before. But if you're going from a rope tie-in to a mechanical, I would highly recommend it. The other thing I would highly recommend is get the Plus with the swivel. Kind of a crowded tree, pushing through the brush, climbing all over the place. This thing did not get tangled once. I never pinched my finger, never pinched my chest. So I would say without a doubt, the transfer from a rope tie-in to a mechanical, 100% couldn't be better. One thing about this is it is kind of a big contraption and it'll take me a little while to feel comfortable with it. I don't know if that was on video, where it slipped behind the branch and I dropped about a foot or so, or 6 inches. I thought it was this instead of the branch moving. So it'll take me a while to get confident. It's hard for me to change systems. So that's the Zigzag Plus by Petzl. Great safety improvement in my climbing system. Also ease of work's a lot better. So if you like this video, please hit subscribe, thumbs up, and then if you want any of this stuff, I'll put links to it in the description below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you.